Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a student at ITMO University? Well, here's what a day in my life looks like. I am a master student of biotechnology at ITMO, and my day begins pretty early. I take the metro from my dormitory to the university campus on Lomnosova Street 9. Since I study biotech, I have all my classes here. I have lectures on core subjects like microbiology, genetics, or bioinformatics, and some electives like foreign languages and soft skills. Between classes, I like to catch up on study in the cafeteria or co-working spaces. ITMO is home to some excellent research labs and great scientists from all around the globe. There are also plenty of sports and activity clubs here. And after class, I like to enjoy the city with its rich social life and many great restaurants.